Welcome to Airo Workflow Automation for Shopify. In this video, I'll show you how this app helps Shopify merchants automate daily store tasks, manage workflows, use ready-made templates, and connect external apps, all without coding. On the dashboard, you can quickly see your automation performance. You can view total workflows, active workflows, paused workflows, monthly tasks, successful executions, and failed executions. This helps you understand what is running and what needs attention. Now open the Workflow section. Here you can view all created workflows, check their status, see execution counts, and manage actions like edit, activate, pause, or delete. To create a new automation, click Create Workflow. Inside the Workflow Builder, automation works with a simple rule. Trigger first, then action. A trigger starts the workflow, and the action tells the app what to do next. In this example, we selected Order Updated as the trigger. This means whenever an order is updated in Shopify, the workflow will start automatically. After that, we connected multiple actions: add order note, add order tag, and archive order. So the workflow becomes, when an order is updated, automatically add a note, apply a tag, and archive the order if required. Make sure every trigger is connected to at least one action. If the trigger is not connected to an action, the workflow will not be complete. Once all actions are connected, click Save, then activate the workflow. Next, open the Templates section. Here you can explore pre-built automation templates for common Shopify tasks. You can search templates, filter by category, and preview workflows before using them. The Connector section lets you connect external apps like Airtable, Asana, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Klaviyo. After connecting these tools, you can use them inside your workflows to automate data sync, customer updates, notifications, AI actions, and more. With Airo Workflow Automation, you can create workflows, use templates, connect apps, and automate repetitive Shopify tasks in a simple visual builder. Save time, reduce manual work, and manage your store more efficiently. So that's all about Airo Workflow Automation app. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video. Subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.